Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing opening AirPods. So here are the AirPods. These are the AirPods, the normal AirPods. I just got them, so yeah, we're just going to be opening them and see how they are. I'm not going to be testing them, sorry, but we're going to see how the real AirPods look inside. So yeah, let's just open them up. These are actually kind of hard because they come with this little paper, like wrapping paper. Okay. Try to put this up. Sorry, I'm not. These are really hard to open, the wrapping paper. Okay, I almost got him. They're just so secured. Okay, I'm gonna pause it really quick because, yeah. Okay, guys, I think I finally got it right here. I got it. Takes kind of a little bit of time. Okay, here they are, AirPods. OMG. Okay, we're gonna be opening them. Slow rising. Okay, so it says designed by Apple in California. Okay, and this. Oh my god. Here they are. AirPods. That is just so satisfying. Okay, here they are. They're actually pretty heavy. Open them. So I got them open, and this is the AirPods. They're so pretty. You can actually like open them and all. But yeah, so they're so cool. And then here in this inside the box, oh here, the charger right here. The charger, you can actually, this is an Apple charger. Pretty cool, right? AirPods right here. And that's it. And that's opening AirPods. So guys, if you like have some AirPods, if you guys have some AirPods that you bought and you want to check if they're actually like legit, you can check out this video and see if, because this is how the AirPods open. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be part of Victoria School. Bye guys, love y'all, and thank you so much for 150. We're so close to 160. Please guys, subscribe. Bye.